From Sooner Standards. How much data? Data and accurate conclusions. A complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5DAIM01. Students learn to determine how the amount of data collected affects the accuracy and reliability of a conclusion. Inside. A full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update. A standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual sample size comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection. All built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.